Two Dutch students lost forever in Panama. On 1st March 2014, two Dutch students arrived in small mountain town of Panama, a place known for its lush rainforest, waterfalls, and mysterious trail. They plan to volunteer with local children and explore the beauty of Central America before returning home on the morning 1st April 2014. Under a clear blue sky, the girls sets out for a short hike on the trail. Just few hours, they told their host families they carried a backpack, a camera, two phones, and little cash, and endless excitement. Phone taken that morning show them smiling, carefree, standing on bridges surrounded by trees and misty mountain air. But after that day, they were never seen alive again. When they did not return, people assumed they had gone exploring. But as our turn to days, worry turned into panics. Rescue teams searched every inch of the trail, helicopters, dogs, and hundreds of volunteers. There was no sign of girls, it was the jungle had swallowed them whole. Then, 10 weeks later, a local woman from the nearby village found a backpack lying near a riverbank. Inside were their belongings: two phones, camera, sunglasses, water bottle, and even a cash, all dry and neatly packed, almost if someone had placed it. When investigators checked the phone, that found was chilling. The call logs shown multiple attempts dial 112 and 911 emergency number. Starting just hours after they began their hike, everyone was shocked because then come a photos, more than 19 of them. At first picture show normal happen, but the strange image appeared. Pitch black night shot of the jungle rocks and glosses. Girls belong and even looked like bloody lock of hair. Some photos were taken after midnight using the flash and complete darkness. Nobody known their theories began flooded in internet. A boat with a foot letter found inside piece of pelvis and skirted. Bones washed down the river. Forensic report confirmed belonged to Chris and Kimmer, but there was no clear evidence of violence. Just haunting silence for the jungle. Many believe they got lost, injured, and died of exposure. But others suspect fuel play, that someone led them deeper into the forest on their photo and belongings were tampered with afterward. Local speaks of hidden trails, drug roads, and strange disappearances in the same region. The posting of backpack, the erased data, and impossible distance between the remain were found. All raise more questions than answer. Today, the case remains one of the most unsettling travel mystery ever recorded, and really want what really happened in the Panama jungle. That's a nature there live or did something or something else. They never made it out. The truth lies buried someone in the distance. Silent screen of Panama, a reminder behind paradise someone, and sometimes the darkest stories hide unseen waiting to be told.